Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Talabat Voucher code. A Talabat Voucher code is a promotional code that gives you a discount or other offer on eligible orders. Now, here is how you can get that done. First, launch the Talabat app on your Android or iPhone. And if you're not already signed in, ensure that you log into the Talabat account using your registered phone number or email address. So once you're in here, go ahead and search for the restaurant, grocery store, or the other merchant you want to order from. Add all the items you want to your basket or cart by tapping add to cart or tapping add. Now, before proceeding, make sure that the restaurant or store is eligible for the voucher you're planning to use, as some vouchers only work with selected merchants. So let's say you have selected a product. Let's say I want this, and I tap on it, and I just want to cream cheese, and I click on add item. I click on start. So here is it. I click on view cart. It takes me here. Now, right on this window, in this particular window, checkout screen, just look for this option that says enter voucher code, which is saved on your order. Now click on it. Now, once you click on it, actually, the wording may vary slightly depending on your country and app version, but the voucher field actually appears here during checkout. So type your voucher code exactly as you received it. Ensure that you pay close attention to correct spelling, letters and numbers, and any capital letters if applicable. To avoid typing mistakes, it's often best to copy the code and paste it here. So once you're done pasting the code, just go ahead and click on this submit button. And that's it. You'll be able to redeem it. If the voucher is valid, the app will immediately apply the promotion. So you should see the discount reflected in your order total, a confirmation message indicating that the voucher has been accepted. And if the voucher doesn't work, the app will display an error explaining why. Before completing your purchase, check that the voucher discount has been deducted and the final amount is correct, and any remaining charges such as delivery or service fees are displayed correctly. Now, some vouchers reduce only the food total and do not apply to delivery fees or other charges depending on your promotion's terms. Okay, so once you're done, just go ahead and choose your payment method if that's displayed for you, and just go ahead and click on checkout. Okay, once you click on checkout, it's going to take you to where you can add your payment method and continue payment or complete payment. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.